Towns may or may not be correct today. We could be making them up as we go along. Anyway, when you got a hat like that, oh, thank you, Tim. You're the best. Our wonderful director, Tim, now get this, folks. Tim Anderson, our marvelous director, he not only makes sure that the show stays on the air, he actually just came running into the studio, throwing birthday lists at us so we make sure that we get everybody's hometown correctly, because that's how awesome he is. Tim, you are the best. I appreciate that. And here's the funny thing. You know what I was going to say about Maverick Thompson? I was going to say that he's from Mountain Valley.
It just sounded
How
like...
crazy is that?
Yeah.
Isn't that something else?
Because you knew.
Anyway, with a hat like that, you are off and running at age number 1. And Maverick, I want you to know that birthday wishes come with love from Mimi and Papa.
All right.
Valley, it's crazy. It's exactly where I was going to go. Maverick was either going to be from Mountain Valley or Kuala Lumpur. I hadn't decided yet.
Good guess. Good guess.
Okay.
Well, Michael Giefer is celebrating birthday number 8 this year, and Michael is in Parsons.
I wonder where they were headed off to.
I don't think this picture was taken in Parsons, though.
No, I would love to know where they were headed. It's a cool picture, though. Don't get many.
I wonder if that was his first time on a plane.
Yeah, I like that,
That's
Michael.
cool.
That's nice. Rain Edwards celebrating her 8th birthday. Rain, a very happy birthday. You know what she's going to be doing with a warm weekend ahead? She's in Farlington. A little time out by the lake. Absolutely.
I like those bows. That's a great picture there. Happy birthday, Rain. I like that name, too. That's cool. All right. Dalton Clyburn turning 8 years old in Riverton. I probably would have guessed Riverton, hence the background in the picture. But that's an awesome picture there of Dalton. With love from Nana and Papa.
I was going to guess Rivertonia. That's why we leave Tanya in charge of this show, because I would have been wrong. Rylan Smith celebrating her 9th birthday. Rylan, a very happy birthday to you. I'm going to get, is that pom-pom and a bow, do you think?
I think she's dressed up as a cheerleader laying on the beach.
I think so. Rylan, a very happy birthday in Joplin.
All right. Sydney Layman turning 9 years old this year.
Get your medals on.
Yeah, the award-winning Sydney Layman. Yeah, in Reeds, Missouri.
What's her jacket say? Your TV's a better quality than mine.
I can't tell.
Tanya actually brings down her TV from her office on the 86th floor. I'm still rocking the black and white 4x3.
If I had to guess, I would say gymnastics.
Okay, I'll buy that. I'll buy that one. Happy birthday, Sid. Elizabeth Sherrill is now a teenager, celebrating the big 13. Elizabeth, congratulations and a happy birthday in Webb City.
Now, I don't think I'm going to take a guess at the next location, but Isabel Mitchell is celebrating birthday number 14 this year.
So I love the name Isabel because it is actually it is a family name in my family. I've never seen it spelled like that. I absolutely love that.
It is pretty.
That is awesome.
Isabel's got birthday love coming to her from her dad, mom, and brother.
I was going to give Isabel all the credit on that, but I guess I need to credit mom and dad and Mr. and Mrs. Mitchell. If I had seen that, I guarantee I would have stolen that for one of my kiddos. That's really neat right there. Happy birthday, Isabel. Paige Earl is turning 25, and speaking of warmer weather, Paige showing us a little beach picture right there. Happy birthday, Paige.
Oh, that water looks so nice. Can't wait, can't wait. All right, in Anderson, Ethan Hines turning the big 3-0 this weekend. Hey, maybe he'll get some fishing in too.
Good catch. Like that.
He won't have to wear all those layers this time.
Like that.
Yeah.
Bobby Obanion, a happy 37th birthday. Bobby celebrating in Girard, and it just so happens that Bentley Twigger, who is Bobby's daughter, she has a birthday coming up tomorrow. So a big weekend ahead for both Bobby and Bentley, and a happy birthday to both of you in Girard.
All right, and I love the note on this one. Tyler Powell is turning 40 this weekend, the big 4-0. Time to celebrate for him. And I got a note here that says, with love from Banks and Brooke to our favorite Budweiser man.
This is pretty cool because we're going to go 40, 60, 70. So
Nice.
after Tyler, Scott Mohoran is celebrating his 60th birthday. Scott, a very happy birthday to you as he is in the neck.
And let's bump it up another 10 years to Sandra Earl, who's celebrating birthday number 70. Looking great there, Sandra. Love that picture. Happy
So we had a
birthday.
40, a 60, and a 70. What are we missing?
Some milestone anniversaries.
What number are we missing?
50.
There you go. Rick and Susan Henson celebrating 50 years. Do they look, neither of them look old enough to even be married 50 years. There's no way.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Rick and Susan. What a marvelous picture as well.
And that spells out what it takes to get to 50 right there.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Those 4 letters.
Congratulations, Hensons.
Yeah. All right, Warren and Wilma Dooley are celebrating a milestone anniversary. Check this out, 65 years. Aw.
What
love
great
those
shirts.
too.
That's
Rainy and Paul.
tremendous.
Aw.
I love those.
The Dooleys are in Columbus. And you know what? You know how they got to 65 years? This is the way to do it.
Because Warren said I'm going to go get married on my 20th birthday and I'm never going to forget.
Yep. Well, the birthday's on, I'm not sure exactly which day the anniversary is, but his birthday's actually tomorrow. But you know what?
Enough.
You're not going to forget when it's the same weekend.
Right.
It's
So
right
what
next
we're
to it.
saying is that on that 65th anniversary, Warren celebrates his 85th birthday, and that's why we call him Pa.
Hey, we got to add a new member of our KOAM family this year to our birthday list.
Who that is?
Yeah!
Brooke, if you were up early this morning watching, I do want you to know that that is not something that we just randomly shout who that is. You have to be an actual employee and KOAM family member, so we do that as a term of affection. Who that is?
Yes.
That is our new general manager.
Yes. All right. Vice President, General
Brooke
Manager
Arnold.
Brooke Arnold.
Love having you here, Brooke. I hope that you are having as much fun as we are. And if she's up this early on her birthday, we will chastise her when she gets to work and be like, why didn't you sleep in? It is your birthday.
No kidding, right? All right. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day.
Like the one time we can pick on the boss. Happy birthday, Brooke. Joyce Copps celebrating his number 73 in Miami. Jim Sparks, a happy 80th birthday. Mr. Jim is in Pittsburgh. And Drake Brasser, a happy birthday to you as well.
Linda Decker turning another year wiser today. Happy birthday to you. And Joe and Shirley Winter are celebrating their 62nd anniversary. Congratulations to the Winters in Richards.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Buck with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club